Koʊl. A black or dark brown rock that is used as a fuel source. The train was powered by coal. Coal mining has a long history in the region. They use coal to heat the house. The factory's furnace burned coal. Coal is a major source of energy in many countries.